What's up, guys? I got right here 5 more gadgets on Amazon. This is a new Wubben flashlight. I really like Wubben flashlight, so let's see what it's all about. Does it slide out? Okay, there's a plastic that we need to cut out. Okay, now it's easy to pull out. Okay, so it comes with the wires and with the sticker. Cool. So Wubben cell phone, I think, flashlight attachment that can be magnetized or glued in. So it's actually a stand also. What is this? Says charge it. I think it's locked. Sometimes I have to unlock it by pressing it multiple times. There is a quick instructions of how to use. So just press and hold to turn it on. But the light is a blue double blinking. Lock unlock. In the off state, click the knob 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there you go, 4 times, and it's on and off. And then we have different colors, different settings. I love it. Press and hold to turn it off. Double click to the brightest. So it is perfect to the extent of like a camera light or everyday carry flashlight. Don't have to use it just a cell phone flashlight. Love it. And it's a different light emits too. So I can film the video and have a light. If I filming it this way, I have a light, or if I'm doing like a selfie, there will be light on this side. Super unique and cool, and it's pretty magnetic and it doesn't take up much space. I got right here a really cool camping gadget, pretty new in my opinion. So it is kind of foldable, actually very foldable, and there's a slide, and then we're just going to slide it one by one. Boom, and slides all the way in, and same thing on the other side. Now that's kind of flattened out. The second side is a little bit easier once we line it up good. Boom. Oops, went too far. So nice, solid. Okay, then we have right here spikes for over the fire. I can go side to side or straight up, probably straight up. So for grilling, let's see, this will go this one. Measure it out. This space we want to do is probably second one somewhere over here. And also the height is all about how deep we're going to put it into the fire. Probably go sideways a little bit so it's much more steadier. There you go. Probably easier to do it this way too. The dirt is really solid over here, but it's good. It'll be very steady. There you go. Adjust it so it's leveled. Boom. Now we have a really nice folding camping stove grill. So, and whenever I'm done, all I have to do is just take it off, wait till it cools off, take this off, fold them up, and put everything together and just roll it up. This is a really cool camping stove, and once it's rolled up, it has a really nice pouch. Fits in there really well. Boom. Anyways, what else I have right here? A little keychain pen, super miniature, titanium. Let's pull it out. There's a window breaker on one side, and wow, this is incredible. It's so tiny, but then whenever I flip it, it is a very lightweight. It's a hollow on this side, so make it even lighter, and it's now becomes much decent size to where it's big enough. Very easy to replace the whatever you call it, pencil. Boom. close it back off. I love it. And there's a keyring that would go through here. That is a really nice option for everyday carry pen. I got right here next tool. See what it's all about. They come out with a pretty unique tool set here. There's extra blades in there. So there's easy flip knife. What's on this side? Bottle opener, kind of like a pry bar or like a box opener. There's a little bit of blade in there. What else is in there? It's kind of hard to open those things. Not too bad actually. File. Probably easiest to pull this up and then easy access to the other one. No, maybe not in this case. Oh, there it is. There's a little utility blade. How hard it is to remove? Oh, just slide it down and it's super easy to remove and replace. That's a good design, I think. I wouldn't be opening anything like boxes and stuff like that so it doesn't break it. There's a screwdriver, nice one. And what else we have here on this side? I think we pretty much got it all. I think it's scissors. Ooh, nice. It's a big unfolding scissors. That's high quality. Boom, there it is. Next, tools. E1 everyday carry multi-tool. Nice option to have. And let's close out with this little multi-tool. See what it's all about. TS whatever pronunciation will be hard on that. So it is spinnable, a little bit flimsy. I know there is a inside there. There you go. If you open it, there will be a little screwdrivers, and all I have to do is just pull on it, or looks like unscrewing it. Okay, that's a little bit different. There it is. Kind of hard to put it in and then tighten it up. Yeah, kind of cheap design, and then plug it back in. Super cheap. Feels super cheap materials. Kind of getting stuck over here. Yeah, I'd stick to the name brand stuff. It is a good idea getting stuck here, but the quality is not all there. It's not so easy to plug it in and unplug it. So I have to take it off all the way, put it through, then screw it back on. It's just too many steps. Would have been easier if it's easy to put in and out like a button. But yeah, good option, good cheap option, but in my opinion a little bit low quality, so I'll probably stay away from this one. Still super unique little tool. Don't plug it all the way so it spins freely, but even then it's gonna get stuck right here. Doesn't spin all the way. Boom, and now it's stuck. So yeah, quality over quantity. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.